If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Cherokee High Altitude in granite crystal metallic. With adaptive cruise control with stop and go, side distance warning, 19-inch aluminum wheels, granite crystal exterior badging, rear window wiper and washer, dual bright exhaust tips, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 9,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, tungsten interior accent stitching, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5682.